account. Today we will discuss about capital account when the capital are fluctuating. Let us come to here. Let us assume that these all are the figures. Now, first of all, you have to write the balance, that is the opening balance in the capital account. Suppose there are two partners A and B. In the question, they given that A has bought 5 lakh as capital, B has 4 lakhs. So you write the amount of capital of both A and B. Now, if A has bought further capital in the business, then you have to write by bank account, that is 1 lakh rupees. Suppose A bought 1 lakh rupees, you have to write it here. Now, for example, if to bank means if B has withdrawn the capital, then you will have to write to bank withdrawal of capital, that is B has withdrawn the capital. This happens only, these figures will be written if you find them in the question. Now, by interest on capital, this will be given in the question, then you have to write it. Okay. Next, by salary to B, if B is given salary, then you will write it here. Now, by commission to A, 15,000. By profit and loss appropriation account, for example, in PL appropriation account, there was a total profit of 20,000 and the profit sharing ratio was equal. Then both of them got 10,000. Okay. So, this portion, in the credit portion of capital account, you must always write the income of the partner. Okay. Now, in the debit portion, first withdrawal of capital, then two drawings. That means the amount taken by the partner A and B, and interest on drawing if it is given in the question by A and B. Now posting is completed. Means whatever thing you find in the question, those things you have to post, and remember that income of the partner will come on the credit side and expenses of the partner will come on the debit side. Now one more point to be noted is that when the capital are fixed, that means you have to prepare two accounts. One is capital account and another is current account. Now in that case, when you prepare capital account, the only things needed are this, that is by opening balance, then to bank or cash, that is withdrawal, and by bank, that is for the capital. Only these things will be shown in the capital account and rest everything will be shown in the current account. Everything other than that is same. Point number 2, the difference is, in case when capital are fixed, then capital account will have it may have the credit balance, but when the capital are fixed, current account, it may have a debit balance or it may have a credit balance. Okay. Now let us do the balancing part like any other ledger. Now let us balance the total amount of A debit and A credit. Credit of A is total 6,30,000. So we write both the sides, and debit of A is 4,44,000. So from 6,30,000 we deduct 44,000, we get 5,86,000. Now let's come to B. Credit total of B is 4,74,000. Now, and debit total of B is 1,22,000. So from 4,74,000 we deduct 1,22,000, we get 3,52,000. So this is the remaining balance of capital of both the partners. So you will write to balance CD, that is carried out, and come back down by balance brought down. So this will be continuing, this will be said as the opening balance of capital. Now this is the only things you should remember while preparing the capital account. Hope you all have understood. If any doubt, you can ask me. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.